What's your name?
My name is Violet.
Good, hello Violet. Violet, where are you from?
I'm from in Hanoi City.
I'm from Hanoi in Vietnam. Okay, so tell me, where do you live, in the city or in the country?
I live in Hanoi City.
Is this your map?
Yes.
Show me, where is your house?
House.
Okay, what's the name of this road, do you know?
Yes. Next to my house is a park. People go to the park to
What's the name of this road? Don't know? That's okay. So, do you have a hospital in your
yes.
city?
The
Is it big or a small hospital?
Small hospital.
Who works in the hospital?
The doctor works
And
in the nurse.
the nurse, do you have a fire station?
No.
Do you have a shopping mall? Do you have a Vinmart?
Yes.
Is it big Vinmart?
No, it is small.
Oh, it's a small Vinmart, okay. So, what can you see in your city?
I see a skyscraper, a cinema, a stadium, and a zoo.
Do you have lots of houses in your street? Do you have lots of streets in your city? Okay. So, where do people have fun in your city?
People go to the park to have fun.
Okay. Anywhere else?
People go to the park, the cinema, the stadium, and the zoo.
Okay. So, where do you go to shop?
I go to the supermarket shopping.
What do you usually buy in the supermarket?
I will buy some fruit, some vegetable, and some clothes.
Have you ever been to the zoo?
Yes.
You have a zoo in your city? What animals are in your zoo?
A lion, tiger, elephant, monkey, and giraffe and hippopotamus.
Is it a big zoo?
Yes.
Wow. Is it open every day? Sunday? Today is Sunday. Maybe it's open, yes? Maybe I will try. Okay. Where do people come to work in your city?
People come to skyscraper to park.
And skyscraper
Restaurant.
and
Shopping mall.
and
Supermarket.
supermarkets. Okay, good. Can you name a skyscraper?
Lotte.
Lotte. Oh, that's a big skyscraper, yeah? That's a beautiful skyscraper. So, what is the biggest or the largest stadium in your city?
A meeting stadium.
Have you been there? You've never been there, okay. Where do people park their car in the city?
Motorbike.
Where do people park their car? In the...
Highway.
Okay. Okay. If people don't have a car, how do they travel around your city?
Motorbike, the bus, taxi.
They can take a taxi? Wow, and a bus? Wow, good. Is the bus cheap or expensive?
It's cheap.
Cheap, okay. So, if you plan a trip around your city, what would you do? What would you do in your city if you plan a trip? You plan a trip for you and your friends, where will you take them? I'll take them to the park,
the stadium.
stadium, So, who would go with you?
I go with my mom.
Right, okay, good. And would you take your friend? Okay. Give me 5